What's your name? Maud. How are you today? And you. Good job. Maud, how old are you? I'm 3. Good job. Maud, today we're going to talk about toys and colors. Okay. Maud, are you ready? Okay. Maud, what's this? Dog. Very good. Maud, what's this? Car. Good job. Maud, what's this? Ball. Very good. Maud, what's this? Teddy. Very good. Okay, Maud. Yes, it is. Good job. Maud, is this a ball? Yes, it is. Very good. Maud, is it a teddy? Very good. Maud, is this a car? Yes, it is. Very good. Maud, is it a dog? No, it isn't. Good job. Maud, what toys do you like? I like Teddy. Okay. Maud, what color is it? Blue. What color is it? Green. What color is it? What color is it? Yellow. Very good. Maud, what color do you like?